Yes, people, this is your girl Aleisha Lee, and welcome back to another episode of Motivational Lee. On this week's episode, as we continue our 48 Laws of Power series, we look at Law 21. Play a sucker to catch a sucker. Seem dumber than your mark. But before we get into that, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you are kept up to date each and every time I upload. And without further ado, let's get into this. Now, in the Jamaican culture, there's a saying that we use, play fool for catch wise. That's basically Law 21 in a nutshell. Now, what that is saying is you have to act like you're a fool in order for you to make the other person feel smarter than you, and that way you actually get more information, because people will think that you're dumber than them, you're not as smart as them, and that is the trick. If you present yourself as not being as smart and making them feel like they're more smarter than you, that way you will be able to maneuver under the radar. You're not going to be a threat to them because they actually look at you as being beneath them in a way. That way they're not going to suspect you, they're not going to think that you've got other motives, they're just going to look at you as like the dumb one, but that way is how you will be able to get more information and people won't be looking at you. Now, if you notice, when someone does see another person as being equal to them, they do feel a bit threatened. You'll find that they're not as approachable because they can feel that this person is, this might be a competitor of mine, or this person might be out trying to do something that I'm trying to do. And if you just seem not as smart as them, they're not going to feel threatened by you. They're not even going to look at you as competition. And that is what this law is basically saying. I always have to make my disclaimer with the 48 Laws of Power, because some of these laws I actually look into and I think, no, this is actually messed up. Like, we're doing too much. But at the same time, these are just some tactics that some powerful people use in order for them to maintain that power. And if you are aware of these laws, you're able to look out for them easily and act accordingly, which is so important. We need to be aware of tactics that people might try and work on us, especially if the intent isn't good. But yes, people, that is Law 21. Play a sucker to catch a sucker. Seem dumber than your mark. Do not appear as smart. And it's kind of like a law that we covered in the past, where you can never outshine the master. I think these two laws kind of tie in with each other. You don't want to appear too superior to people. You want people to feel comfortable. You actually want people to get so comfortable and make them feel like they're way above you in order for you to just maneuver freely without being threatened. So I think Law 21 and Law 1 definitely do tie in with each other. But yes, people, that is it for Law 21. Play a sucker to catch a sucker. Seem dumber than your mark. In the next video, we look at Law 22. Use the surrender tactic. Transform weakness into power. But we'll be getting into that next week. Make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so you are kept up to date each and every time I upload, and you don't want to miss out when that video comes out. So make sure you are subscribed. Leave a comment down below. Have you ever been in a situation where you've had to play dumb, where you've had to kind of dumb yourself down or just appear not as smart just so that you can kind of get by or get that person to shut up quickly? Have you ever been in that situation? Leave a comment down below and let us know. But yes, people, make sure you have a great week. Enjoy yourselves. Stay blessed. And I'll catch you in my next video. Dunno. Boy.
Running.